How to use the POS Cost of Goods Summary Report. The POS Cost of Goods Summary Report accounts for your total sale costs of an item, removing any wastage you've logged in your Flipdish RMS app and the cost of the item. Please note you will need to be a staff member with back office permissions, and the cost of goods report will only populate if you've entered your recipes within each product on your menus. To do this, you will need access to Flipdish's POS inventory management module. Okay, so first log into your point of sale back office with your email address and password. Click on the business or store name in the top right drop-down. Selecting the business name will aggregate the sales data for all stores, and selecting the store name will filter data for that store only. Then click Reports in the left panel. Then click Inventory or Costs, and then click on Costs of Goods Summary, and then add your date period. And click the Search button. Do note that the total discrepancies are calculated taking the difference between your cost of goods and the total sale cost of a product. A product is referred to as a unit in this report. Also, when filtering or grouping, you can further drill into the item's sales performance by clicking the right arrow. This report defaults to grouping data based on property, category, stock item, and date. Along with being able to remove filters using the X button to the right of the filter, you can also drag and drop the columns to change the order. You can add and remove columns and filters using the columns and filters buttons on the right-hand side of the page. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.